Okay, so this is going to be a simple and easy recipe. Alright, so what do we need here for this country corn? An onion, corn, just a simple canned corn, nothing crazy, and of course Early's bacon. Thick sliced, smoked, ready to go. Most of the hard work is done. So we'll get started here. Alrighty, so the prep is going to be real simple. You're going to take a couple pieces of bacon out. All you're going to need are a couple pieces. Take a couple pieces of bacon out, that's all you're going to need. Real thick slice, delicious. Look at that. Then we're going to take our onion, and we just need about a half of the onion. Just about a half. That's all you're going to need, just about a half. Cut the onion and just little slices. Slice it in half, and then get your little slices. You can do it however you want. This is how I like it, just a little bit diced, nothing crazy. Just something like that. Just a little something. Not too thick, not too thin. If you want to taste them, I like to taste them. You could cut them thinner. But you're just going to need 2 pieces of bacon to get that grease going. This cut, and then your can of corn. Now, one thing I like to do on prepping the bacon is cut it beforehand. You could cut it after, but I like to cut it beforehand, just into little strips. Just something like that. So we recommend a cast iron pan. It'll get a real good flavor going. What you're going to do is start with the bacon, and we're going to put that down, and then we're going to go from there. Alright, now once you got that pan nice and warm, we'll go ahead and start by putting on the bacon. So we'll start with the bacon, let that get cooked up. So once we got that going, about 3 to 4 minutes, really starting to cook up, then we'll go ahead and throw the onions in there. And these are going to cook up pretty quick and be really, really delicious. Get that grease coated in there well. And let those caramelize and cook up together. And be sure to stir it around so those onions don't get too burned. And I like to turn the heat down just a little bit at this point. So after about 3 minutes, I'll turn the heat down just a little bit. So we got 3 minutes with the bacon, 3 minutes with the onions. And I'll turn the heat down just a little bit. Go ahead and add in your corn. As that bacon's starting to get crispy and those onions are starting to get crispy, we'll just add in that corn. And that corn only needs a couple minutes. Listen to that sizzle. Listen to that sizzle. And that corn, let it get mixed in with that fat. And again, that's only going to need a couple minutes. And that corn will be ready to go. Everything's nice and hot. The grease is nice and hot. Alrighty, so then after another 3 to 5 minutes on medium-low, I did 5 minutes here on low to medium-low. I did 5 minutes. Take it off here. Alright, plate it up. And you got yourself one great side, or even a breakfast in and of itself, right there.